How to fix sound problem on Last Day on Earth game. So to fix this problem, just follow and watch this video till the end. Open the settings of your device first. Click on apps option right now. Search for Last Day on Earth and click. So right now you have to scroll these leaves down, click storage, click clear cache only and back, click add force, stop and click OK. So go to Play Store or App Store and update Last Day on Earth and restart here now your device, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and